A very good day to the fellow judges. Welcome to our group. We are from SJKT Subramania Bharati, Penang, Malaysia. These are my teammates Sarvina Dayalan, Haresh Dinagaran, Aishwan Arvind, Mahabirmal Singaravel and me Vidya Sri Parandaman. This is our teacher Vasanta Kumari Subramania, Malaysia. Our title is Hydroponic using harvested rainwater, and we have innovated a product called Hydrobot. Hydroponics comes from Latin language and it means working water. Hydro means water, ponics means labor. So it's defined as soil is growing. In next 35 years, there will be no new land for agriculture because we are building some apartments, condominiums and many kind of houses. In developing this project, the innovation funnel method was used. The core of the innovation is to generate as many ideas as possible. Now, I'm going to show the innovation funnel which have 4 stages such as idea, investigation, process design, scale up. We generated the idea of Hydrobot by 2 general approaches. The first was by brainstorming approach. Using the approach, possible solution, we managed to state a problem statement to the problem stated. The second approach was the expert opinion, which is synthesizing rainwater harvesting with the hydroponic system. We used plastic bottles on this project. In the investigation stage, we collected information about hydroponic and rainwater. Books and internet was the primary sources of the information. A long book was maintained to record the collected information. A small-scale model was tested for water flow, germination and plant growth. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidyasri. Now I am going to talk about the innovation, hydroponics and the rainwater. Generally, there are 4 types of innovation: invention, extension, duplication and synthesis. Our product is a synthesizing product which resulted in a domestic hydroponic using rainwater harvesting. This is known as Hydrobot, which means hydroponic bottles. The innovation used plastic bottles as the base for hydroponic and rainwater as the nutrient medium. This pump was used to circulate the rainwater in the system. There are several advantages for hydroponics. The first is crops can be grown where land is limited. A research by NASA has been explained that food for astronauts can be grown through hydroponic in the space. The roots can be grown much closer because the roots are sunk in a tank full of oxygenated nutrient solution and vital minerals. Dear judges, rainwater is better than tap water. Now I'll explain why is rainwater better than tap water. Firstly, rainwater is 100% soft water, which means pure hydration. Rainwater is free of salts, minerals and chemicals that are found in tap water. Collected rainwater may have contact with leaf litter, bird droppings, pollens, such as act as fertilizer. The most important is rainwater contains nitrate. Nitrate is a very important macronutrient for plants to grow well. Dear judges, these are the nutrients that are in rainwater: nitrate, phosphate, potassium, magnesium, sulfate and calcium. Therefore, synthesizing these hydroponic and rainwater systems will definitely benefit us. Now my friend Mahaparmal will explain about the benefit and the impact of the innovation. Thank you.
Thank you, Haresh and Vidyasri. Now I am going to tell about the benefits and the impact of Hydrobot. Hydrobot definitely has a lot of benefits. The following are the benefits of Hydrobot. Hydrobot is low cost because we can use the readily available materials. Hydrobot is made by upcycling used plastic bottles. We reuse the plastic bottles from the recycle bin. Hydrobot can reduce the water usage as rainwater is used. We use rainwater instead of tap water and rainwater is more nutritious. Hydrobot can minimum space utilization. Hydrobot only needs a small amount of space. Hydrobot is suitable for outdoor and indoor usage. We can use Hydrobot in outdoor and indoor. It is expected that our innovation will encourage domestic farming, which will lead to a better food security in the future. Hydroponic absolutely has a great impact on the environment. It supports the SDG Goal 12, responsible production and consumption, by encouraging production of own crops and upcycling used plastic bottles to reduce pollution. Hydroponic has a potential for commercialization value in urban areas where land is scarce for farming. Hydroponic is a possible solution for overcoming current obstacles to domestic farming. The advantage of hydroponic that it is low cost and easy setup, giving it an edge over costly sophisticated products available in the market. Furthermore, it is a practical solution to overcome food security problems in the future. Hydroponic has a potential commercial value in urban areas and through schools. It is recommended for further studies to be conducted on the hydroponic system to reduce the setup cost. A low setup cost would definitely encourage domestic farming extensively. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahaparmal. Now we are going to demonstrate our system. There are 4 types of sensor. One is ultrasonic distance sensor, flow sensor, float sensor, light sensor, school lamp, and our Arduino base. I'm going to explain you about ultrasonic distance sensor and float sensor. Ultrasonic distance sensor is used to measure water level in the tank. If it's below 20 cm high, the sensor will trigger and the alarm will be on. And the next is floating sensor. Floating sensor is used to measure water level in the bottle. If it's overflow, the sensor will trigger and the alarm will be on. Thank you, sir. Now my friend Ishwar will continue about the other sensors. Now I will present about the light sensor and float sensor. During the daytime, the LED light will be off. When there is no light, the light sensor will activate the LED light. I will cover the light sensor. The flow sensor detects the circulation of water in hydroponic. When there is no circulation, it will give an alarm. I will off the pump now.